Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chevy Cruze spark plugs. First, gather your tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and extensions. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and ensure proper component handling. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before you begin any electrical work. This simple step prevents accidental shorts and protects your vehicle's systems. Next, you'll need to access the spark plugs. Start by carefully removing the engine cover, which is usually held on by a few clips or bolts. Once the cover is off, you'll see the ignition coils. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the release tab. Then, unbolt each coil pack and gently pull them straight up to remove them, revealing the spark plugs underneath. Now it's time to remove the old spark plugs. Use your spark plug socket with an extension and ratchet to loosen each plug. Turn counterclockwise until it's free, then carefully lift it out. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs. Their condition can tell you a lot about your engine's health. When installing new plugs, hand thread them first to prevent cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 15 to 20 foot-pounds. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Carefully place the ignition coils back into their positions over the new spark plugs and bolt them down. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to each coil, ensuring they click into place. Replace the engine cover, making sure it's securely fastened. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, and then start your Chevy Cruze to confirm everything is working smoothly. You've successfully changed your spark plugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.